them lips. I got them lips, yeah. I got them hips. Curvy look, bitch, I got them well. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, wrong. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am LeondraNicole. If you are new here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back, babes. So it's a new week in my life. Let me close my door because my TV is loud. So it is a new week in my life. I don't know if this is going to be included in last week's vlog, because last week's vlog probably is going to be poquito, probably going to be really little, so I may or may not include this in there. But if I do, what it do, and if I don't, welcome to another week of my life. So Coda, what he just want attention. Y'all already know. Stop that, Coda Woda. He just want attention. Coda, oh, you're scratching me. Coda loves to have attention. Y'all, I'm so obsessed with my pajamas. This is so off topic. I'm so obsessed with my pajamas. Just see myself in the mirror. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. But I'm starting this vlog pretty late. It's like 8 going on 9 o'clock p.m. Literally, I was out last night being grown. I'm gonna insert some clips. A shame, I know, but we had a time, okay? And then I left there and I went to go be even growner, y'all. So I had a late start. I was actually hungover this morning. Stop, Papa. I was actually hungover this morning, so I had to take me a BC and then regroup my life. I laid in bed for like 4 hours, and then I finally, Coda, what do you want? What? Like, I really wish he could talk. What? You just want attention. I've been giving you attention all day long. Literally, I really have. So get down. So yeah, I laid in bed. Then I finally got my life together, and then I went and fixed my hair, y'all, because I did this myself, and it's giving, you can tell. It's giving, you can tell. But I promise y'all, I don't know, it looks better in person. It definitely looks better in person, but it's cute. Like, y'all know I'm trying, okay? Y'all seen in my last video when I redid my wig, my birthday wig. I'm trying. Your girl is trying, okay? Because not every time do I want to buy a wig and then pay to get it done, and not every single time I want to keep spending my money like this. So you got to do what you got to do to make the girls do. So yeah, I finally got up. I had missed my package. I had ordered a couple of things from Farfetch, so I had missed those packages because I didn't get home till like sometime this morning. And then it said that it would be at the FedEx place, the shipping center. So I went around 7. I got those. I had to wait, y'all, because the girl wasn't there. She was not there for a little minute, so I had to wait like I'm gonna say like 45 minutes for my package. And then I collected those, and then I went over to CVS and got me a little snack because I was editing and I need to finish editing, y'all. It's been a month since my birthday and I still have not finished editing my birthday vlog, my birthday weekend vlog. I'm sorry, life has just been life, and I'm so serious. I literally been working so much that I called out yesterday, and I felt bad for calling out. I never feel bad for calling out. I just be feeling like it's a routine now for me to stay at work as much as I do. So I hate the fact that I gotten used to it. It just be like, it is what it is, and I never want to get accustomed to that. I don't. That is not the lifestyle for me. Anyways, I'm going to show y'all what I got from CVS. Oh, I also ordered something else off of Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys that as well, and then I'm gonna do an unboxing for the things that I bought from Farfetch. So let's go, because yeah, let's just go. So literally, I really shouldn't even show y'all what I got from fucking CVS, because it was nothing. But anyways, I went there because I needed something. We needed something to drink in the house, and I did not feel like going to Publix. I did not want to wait in no line. It just was not giving a Publix night, and y'all know I'm a Publix girl. But I went to I went to Arizona. I'm sorry I lied to you, Martin. I just didn't want to go to Arizona. I went to Publix. I went to CVS and I got this because that was the best thing that they had as far as like a gallon goes. So I got that. I got these chips because I've been seeing people talk about them or whatever, and they're supposed to be good and healthy. Tortilla chips. And then I got this avocado salsa. And then I wanted to try these out. Cheddar and sour cream flaming hot. I wanted to try this out. I've been seeing them. So I'm like, you know what? I was giving hot food a break. I was giving like hot Cheetos and shit like that a break. But that was calling my name. I don't know. I was just calling my name. And then of course gum. Got to keep gum. So yeah, that's all I got from CVS. Now let's go into my unboxing. Okay, welcome to the unboxing. Y'all, I hate unboxing sometimes. Okay, we're gonna start off with the small box because I know what it is. I hate unboxing because I just ripped the fucking box. Jesus. Of course, the inside of the box has the Farfetch logo. So this red wrapping. I already know what this is, and I keep saying it, but I might have to. I don't know. It's like I want to take it out of the bag, the wrapping bag, but I don't, because this is a gift that I got from my friend. So I kind of don't want to take it out of this little wrapping thing. But I got her a geiger. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got her one of those bags, the silver small one. I would like the description for what I got her would be. The link will be in the description. In the description box below for what I got her. And next is this big box. I got myself a treat. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Yeah, so these are my balenciaga shoes that I ordered off of Farfetch. So, oh, what was that? The Balenciaga card. With all of the facts and detailings on it. I'm gonna put that to the side. Obviously, when you first open it, it has the dust bag for the shoes. Obviously, they give you 2. And then I'm going to put these to the side as well. They just say Balenciaga on it, and it's like pretty good quality. I'm giving y'all a real like ghetto unboxing right now. Y'all, I ordered this in a size 10. Because they didn't have wool. I told myself if they were too big, I'm sending them back. So let's just see. They're not that big. Like, they're really not that big. Especially not. I really wanted some all plain, some plain white shoes. But I wanted to treat myself and do, you know, some designer. So I did, and let's see how they fit. iffy about them. I don't know if I want to keep them. I don't know if I want to take them back. I don't really know. If I do send them back, I might just get something else. I'm gonna be looking at something else because I really wanted the all black ones, but like, because the all black ones was really cute, but it's like I don't want to get those because I'm trying to get some Rick Owens, and that kind of defeats the purpose of getting Rick Owens because they're all black shoes. You feel me? And they're cool or whatever. Somebody gonna tell me they look like nurse shoes, but the person who said it, they smell like boogers. So who cares about their opinion? They didn't even give me a returning thing for that. So if I didn't like them, I probably have to go online and get the returning thing for it. But yeah, so if you know me, not new to my channel, do you know I love me some smell goods. I am a fucking fiend for some perfume or anything that smells good. So I was like, you know, I've been really into oils lately. Well, I was kind of like oils, especially like body oils. So I mean like regular oils that make your body glisten. I love them. So I was like, you know what, body oils last long, right? They really do. The scent lasts longer. Like you can put your body oil on and then, well, I would shower. Like me personally, I like to shower with my regular Dow antibacterial soap, and then I'll go in with like a body wash that I like, and then after that I will oil and lotion myself up, oil with the scented oil, and then put on a perfume. Like that's how I feel like your scent, like you're gonna smell good all fucking day, literally. Anyways, and it can't just be like any perfume, you feel me? Like it gotta be something. Anyways, my coworker slash my homeboy, my friend Don, one day we were working and we were on our way to the hospital, and he was like, what did he say? I got these in my cart. I'm thinking about ordering these from Amazon. What do you think? You think these smell good? I'm like, I'm gonna order some oils. Cause like, why the fuck not? So anyways, sorry for that long little introduction to this. I ordered 4, but I had 3. Okay, 4 body oils from Amazon. And no baby, they're not like real authentic. These are replicas, okay? But anyways, they were like $6 a piece, $6.50 or something like that a piece. So I got Jimmy Choo, and that's in Love Blossom, which I love this. I already know how, which is in Blossom. I have the original one. I got it in the mini version. So I just got the oil for it. Dude, let's see if it smells like it for real. Okay, it does kind of. Hold on, okay. It could dispense a little bit more, like. Okay, I'm doing the most, but y'all can see it. Oh, it does smell like it. It does smell like it. It smells like spot the fuck on. No, it smells spot on. Literally, it smells just like this. Yup. They literally smell just, okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I got baby powder. And y'all, before y'all start, like, what the fuck? Hear me out. Baby powder on nights when you finna go lay up. Baby powder, I'm already smelling it. I didn't even roll it on me yet. Baby powder, nights when you finna go lay up, or you want a cozy, the fall. Baby powder smells good, okay? You about to go get ate up like a Thanksgiving dinner. You wanna put some baby oil, baby powder around your neck, by your booty cheeks, on your ankles, your inner thighs, all your little sweet spots. Don't judge me, okay? I know what I'm talking about. But let's just see. Girl, I don't even know why I tried this on. Yes, it smells exactly like baby powder. I got Victoria's Secret's Bombshell. Let me see. I do think these, okay. That one is coming out good. That smells good. It smells good. It kind of give me baby powder again, but I feel like I'm putting it too close to the other one. So let me smell it from the bottle. Oh no, it smells really good. Okay, here, I'm gonna put this one right here. Yeah, that smells good. That smells good. It smells like, how do I want to say it? Grown and sophisticated. Oh, my camera is dying. Okay, so let's hurry up. The next one I have is Good Girl. And it's obviously a Good Girl dupe. And Good Girl, you already know, it smells like a sexy lady. So let's see. Hold up, wait. I don't think I like that one. I don't think I like that. Anyways, that's all I have for y'all right now. That Good Girl. I don't know. This is the. I don't know. I don't really like that one. I don't really care for that one. But everything else smells really good. That's all I got for y'all right now today. And my camera is dying. So I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow because I have to go get my car service and I have my lash appointment. So I might catch up with y'all after my lash appointment tomorrow. So ciao.